Hi, I am Ivan.
And I am Liam.
Welcome to Kids Kingdom.
I love to travel in a car. Beep, beep, beep. Let's travel in a car. Beep, beep, beep. Let's ride on a bus. Honk, honk, honk. Come on and ride on a bus. Honk, honk, honk. I love to travel in a boat. Blub, blub, blub. Let's travel in a boat. Blub, blub, blub. Let's ride on a train. Choo, choo, choo. Come on, ride on a train. Choo, choo, choo. I love to travel in an airplane. Whiz, whiz, whiz. Let's travel in an airplane. Whiz, whiz, whiz. Let's ride on a bike. Ring, ring, ring. Come on, ride on a bike. Ring, ring, ring. Carrot, potato, and broccoli. I love to eat these veggies. Carrot, potato, and broccoli. Move and shake like me. Onion, asparagus, and peas. I love to eat these veggies. Onion, asparagus, and peas. Come and dance with me. Cabbage, cucumber, and pumpkin. I love to eat these veggies. Cabbage, cucumber, and pumpkin. Move and shake like me. Eggplant, spinach, and zucchini. I love to eat these veggies. Eggplant, spinach, and zucchini. Come and dance with me. Vegetables are so healthy. They're in my lunch and my dinner. Eating vegetables every day makes me a winner. Vegetables are crunchy and munchy, tasty and yummy too. I love all the veggies.